What is PowerON? PowerON is a specially formulated sugar-free supplement for fitness enthusiasts. It combines the natural properties of Panax Ginseng with a balanced mix of essential vitamins and minerals to provide gym-goers with a supercharged workout experience. The product can be consumed to boost energy and endurance during rigorous physical activities, recover faster from muscular pain or other physical stress caused by workouts, improve and maintain daily vitality. How PowerON can change your workout. PowerON contains ingredients that are proven to increase energy and endurance during and after periods of physical strain. Panax Ginseng, this East Asian root herb renews and increases your body's energy stores, facilitates recovery after intense workouts, and reduces muscle injuries. That's a win-win-win. Hawthorn. Hawthorn is a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that counters the increase in free radical activity that's responsible for sore, achy muscles after a workout. The result: longer, uninterrupted workouts. Beetroot. The beetroot contains nitrates that increase stamina and enhance physical performance during running, cycling, and high-intensity endurance exercise. Xylitol and stevia, sugar substitutes that are low in the glycemic index, limiting unnecessary sugar intake. PowerON contains a balanced mix of vitamins and minerals that makes it your supply of nutrients for high energy and fast recovery. Directions to use PowerON. Take 1 scoop every day. Mix with water or juice, and consume with a meal a few hours before or after taking other medications or natural health products. Buy PowerON online at adcare.ca with a great buy 2 get 1 free offer. Product link below the description.
We are proudly supporting the Canadian Mental Health Association and sales through adcare.ca. We will give 2% to CMHA. Please subscribe our channel for future new products update.